Hello, and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. So we have obviously seen the rate decision and the market has moved up afterwards. There was a little bit of volatility first, and then it seems like, the price has just touched our support area again and is trying to break out higher again once more. How would that work out? So first of all, this is only a smaller time frame perspective, right? If you're interested in the bigger picture, larger time frame, check out the last videos. But what we see here on this chart is currently a possible A, B, C structure in a B wave. This could also turn into something more bullish if we get that one more high and then another higher low. Then we could get another higher high, and that would mean 5 waves up instead of just 3 waves. And in Elliott Wave language, or let's say translated from Elliott Wave language, that means the trend is up with a 5-wave move. With a 3-wave move, it's not really up. I mean, we can say short term, yeah, but it's rather part of a larger bounce. Then it's always that 5-wave move that tells us the trend direction, which means a 5-wave move usually tells us in which direction we want to go further eventually. Now, what we are tracking here for now is a move up from the September low. I mentioned it earlier today. I mean, is it possible that the entire wave 4 already bottomed? Yeah. And we're already on our way to all-time highs. It's absolutely possible. Yeah. It's absolutely possible. For further confirmation, however, I need to see a 5-wave move because the B wave here, the B wave here is, it can move higher, even as a 3-wave move. If we get 5 waves, it can't be a B wave. So, but what you see on this chart is that we have already reached our target area for the B wave. We don't necessarily need to go any higher, but we also haven't broken any support. So I simply go with the trend and looking at the microstructures where we're tracking an A, B, C structure, that C wave could still get another high. 1, 2, 3. This here was likely simply an ABC structure in wave 4, which bottomed today, and now we could be in a 5th wave. But that's wave 5 of C of B. So it's part of that B wave. What it means is that even if we go up a little higher, it could be part of that B wave, right? But that's still a 3-wave move. Only if afterwards I get another higher low, then we can watch for that one more high, and that's a 5-wave move, and then it will reduce likelihood that it's a B wave. So overall, to keep it very simple, we have a nice and clearly visible support zone here between $113,486 and $114,970, and this support zone is still holding. It's been with us since end of last week. Actually, it was with us before, but obviously it gets adjusted as we move higher. So I adjusted our Fibonacci support zone with the price. When we then formed the local top, since then it hasn't moved anymore. Price dipped into it, moved away from it, dipped into it again. So I mean, the overall bullish structure remains intact, short-term bullish here. Also, especially as long as we're holding in this trend channel. I mean, this trend channel is also guiding this local trend up further. It's just not very clear if this is the journey, the move that can take us directly to an all-time high. And that should be decided soon, especially if we get another rally to the 118,500 level, then a higher low, then a higher high. So I keep you updated about that, but bottom line is I can still track higher prices here. I can still make a case for a rally into this next target zone here, 117,668, 118,493. Those would be the next upside levels to watch. I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, check out our membership. You can join our Discord server through the Gold membership. Also, if you're interested, check out our X channel for additional updates, for additional charts, news, and much more. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.